Hi guys, today we're eating at Basic Bird. This is a little bit different. We're gonna be eating in the car today. The restaurant's a little packed, so can't be in there. But let's get to it. So today we got a plethora of things. We got like 3-4 different things. Okay, perfection guys. First we got the corn cheese. Come on, you did. Let me get a bite of this. I never really ate in my car before. I never really ate in my car like at all. I usually sit down at a table. But yes. Whew. Here we go. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Cheesy pull, cheese pull. Come on, baby. That's good. Cheesy, buttery. Come on. Ooh, come on, come on.
That's crazy.
The greens give it a nice little pop of vegetables, like green oniony. But man, pretty good. How to get another bite of that. That's pretty good. I dig it. Next up we got is the spicy boneless wings. So because we're eating in the car, I got boneless wings and it's a lot easier to eat. But come on, man. Come on. Okay, let's bite in. So first off, these pieces are kind of big. Chicken, it has some good flavor, definitely some good flavor, nice, juicy, succulent, but I wish it had a better crunch to it. But you know, the sauce kind of ruins the crunch, the texture flavor, but it's bite into it, the good googly moogly, that thing is juicy. That's the chicken right here. The chicken, it's spicy gochujang, but it's not really spicy. So it's very, very manageable heat. It's not like you're gonna eat it because we forgot to get a drink. Okay, next we got is this honey butter chicken. Smelling it, it smells so good. It smells so sweet and succulent. So this next one, man. Let's see. I'm telling you, these are kind of big. Man, they know how to cook their chicken. It's not dry. Every time you bite into it, this thing is juicy. This one's got a slightly better crunch on it. Yeah, it's buttery. Not really sweet, but it's more buttery than sweet, but still got a nice crunch, still juicy, succulent. Okay, last thing we got on the main course is this Bap Bowl. So it's a whole bunch of the sides, it looks like, and with some rice. It's pretty good. Looks pretty good. I don't know how to showcase it to you guys, but white rice, I mean, it's white rice. What is it? Seaweed? Seaweeds on the top? Okay. Daikon. Slight pickled, but not overly vinegary taste. Excellent. It's a little spicy, but I'm assuming it's because of the kimchi that's in here. It kind of got mixed in together. So next one I got is this. What is this? Like a, what is it, cabbage?
Brussels sprout.
Brussels sprout. This one I got Brussels sprout. Okay. Not pickled, a little spicy. I think it's like gochujang paste, like kimchi. So it's slightly, a little spicy, but not, like I said, spicy flavor, not spicy as in the heat. Next one is this bean sprout. I don't like bean sprout, but you know, gotta try it. I might like this bean sprout. It's pretty good. I don't even know what to describe the taste because all the flavors are like meddling together in this. So pickled, or yeah, pickled kimchi cucumber. Once again, kimchi flavor. My breath is gonna stink. Nice texture. My breath stinky. Okay, the kimchi. Yeah, like everything has a good flavor, but it's not overly spicy. For me, it's only slightly spicy, but it's to the point where I don't need water to quench my thirst. But it's making my mouth salivate a little bit. For some reason, the kimchi just tastes a little salty to me. But still, overall, it's pretty good. This egg looks like they know how to do an egg. Sunny side up, it looks like, baby. Come on. Nice crispies fried on the bottom. I'm not sure you can see on the camera, but next is this pickled shishito pepper. I think this is gonna be spicy. Surprisingly, it's not spicy. It's pretty good. Pickled, so a little bit sour. I think you guys know what pickled is. Yeah, pretty good. The rice really absorbs the flavor of all the kimchi here. Overall, I would say all the dishes are pretty good. I think the only thing I'm missing that's not in there is this potato salad. All the extra sides that I'm going to be showing you guys here, they came in this Bap bowl, so I won't be eating them separate. But except this. This is the mashed potato. It looks like there's corn in here too. Smooth, creamy. What's that, like sour cream?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
It's smooth, creamy, nice different texture because the corn, when you add it in there, you know, you get a little crunch instead of just all paste. I dig it. I dig it, baby. Come on. I might eat this all. Oh, come on, baby. This is about to be all gone. Nice potato chunk as well. So total for the food, we spent $45 here before tax. We got 3 main meals, and the smaller sides came with the 2 of the entrees for the boneless chickens, and the bowl came with all the sides in it, apparently. And we also got the corn cheese there as our little appetizer. For the food, man, it's really good. Really, really good. For the food, I would probably give it about 4 stars. To elevate it to the next level, to the 5, I wish the chicken was just a little bit more crunchy, but also it would kind of be hard because of the sauce as well would dumb down the crunchiness. So I don't know how that's gonna work. The Bap Bowl, the food was just a little bit salty, a touch too salty, and I don't know if it was because of the kimchi like seeping into all the other stuff or what it was, but it was just a touch salty. But for the corn cheese and all the other sides, perfecto mundo. For the ambiance, we didn't really get to sit in there, but as you can see from the intro of the video, it is very upbeat, very fast, fast casual. So you go in, you eat, you leave. You can also spend a little bit of time more. They have offerings in there that you can sit down and drink. So for the ambiance, I can't really give it a rating because I didn't get the chance to sit in there. For the service, it was a 3. They did what they're supposed to. It's a fast casual place. You go up to the window and then you order with the person, and then they just call your name when the food's ready. And they also send you a text tool too, which is pretty cool. So yeah, just so you know, if you're walking out of the store, you come right back in when it's ready. And so that was our review of Basic Bird. It's a very excellent fast casual place to go to. I would recommend it to anyone that I know. Yeah, let me know what I should try next down in the comments below. And always, just make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. We'll see you next time.